Hi, thank you for listening to Rivers Investment Channel. I'm Chi Yao. Today, we will continue with the last episode on how currency is created. Today's topic is the economic calamity. Every time the market crashes, the reason is always logical. It's like building a skyscraper. You must understand how much support the building needs for its structure to withstand various forces. If the structure fails to support itself, the building will fall. It is not a hindsight. It is destined to fall from the beginning. The economy works the same. If the economy is based on the wrong system, it will fail. Our fiat currency and credit system is the wrong system, so the output is not going to be good, because at the end, value will prevail. If the value cannot prevail, we are basically shaking the fundamentals of the human faith and the nature. Productive workers will be eliminated from supporting speculators with hard works, and thus destroy the system from within. Our system is built on credit. If the credit system fails, we will have the collapse bigger than economic activities. When credit market starts tightening, credit currency will be withdrawn from the market. The only way to bring investor back is when the risk can be compensated by the return. And the system mainly built on credit with zero interest rate is not offering the compensation. But the debt created is so huge, any taper in this Ponzi scheme will kill the system. There is no alternative but to see the economy gets weaker. As the credit currency evaporates, the deflation puts a downward pressure on all price levels built on credits, which means all asset classes. Declining price levels makes all debt repayments so much harder. The great default will start and spread to the entire system. Then, waves after waves of defaults will hit the market. As all asset classes are contagious through the financial system, the policymaker will resort to either lock down the system or print to oblivion as the only solution. But again, this will further impoverish people, especially the productive people. The fiat currency system will always fail because the empowered will steal and rob the value of money through currency printing and overtaxation, because the empowered will always test the confidence boundary by expanding their power. Productive people will be left with no choice but operate on the black markets. These people will be no longer able to support the unproductives. The unlikely solution is the elites will let the system collapse to restore free market, sound money, and personal liberty. It is unlikely because that means these elites have to give up the power that they are willing to screw everyone up for. The more likely solution is the elites will ban the black market by force as the way to maintain their power structure and luxury lifestyle. And it will be the darkest age in human history if we ever let the elites take the last piece of liberty away. They will pretend they have no choice. There is a viable choice. The viable choice means they have to give up their power. To wrap it up, the economic calamity is inevitable. However, we still can choose a better outcome by taking power back and resorting to free market, sound money, and personal liberty. Thank you for listening to Rivers Investment Channel. This is Chi Yao, signing out for now.